Okay, so I ordered a couple of these Topps Costco boxes online, and then just the day after Christmas, after Thanksgiving, they actually had them in the store, and so there's a limit of two you can get. So they'll kind of open them up, and I'll be right back. All right, I got rid of all that packaging. Oh my gosh, this is, I got to pause it because that packaging is crazy. It's tough to get rid of, get them open. I mean, it might be like an extra 5 minutes to see me struggle with that packaging. So do these first there. I mean, you've already seen most of it. I don't know. I mean, I know there's a couple like, what I'd say, Michael Waka. Not numbered. But I mean, there's like, I know short prints. Kelton Marte there. Fernand Tatis Jr. But Series 2, it's kind of weak. So they decided to put short prints instead of actual rookie cards, but they gave it out to update, what made the update really insane. That's here. Else there, Second Street. And there's Max going off, just by here the car. Let's see here. Guerrero Jr. on that one. Jacob Wilson on the Stars of MLB. Yeah. Whoop-de-doo. Human Rocker there, Garrett Cole. Rookie Sasaki, that's probably the best rookie, I think, in the Series 2, since he's came back and pitched. So there's Vladimir Guerrero, there, Rice Lewis. And then we'll do. Oh, it looks like we got a numbered card. So yeah, so things can you possibly get stuff. Roki Sasaki on the Stars of MLB. And this is a Yankee. Austin Wells rookie card. So it'll be 2025, 346 out of 2025. So let's leave that one up. I'm gonna put that over there. So yeah, you possibly get stuff. Not expecting it, So this is a nice surprise. There's O'Neal Cruz on the 1990. You got like a Griffin Conine. Oh, that's it can be like the Fortune of the Line. 54 out of 76. So there's two numbered cards there. So that's how you think that's that Independence Day, right? So hopefully you guys have recovered from a Thanksgiving week or weekend or Black Friday, or you call it Black on Friday too. In case you went to Walmart, Target, show Tiny pitching there, our number 400. Brent Ricker there, Kevin Alcantara. Yeah, Jackson Job's in there too, but since he got hurt, Pete Alonso there. That was the thing about Series 2. You'd have like Jackson Job got hurt, Roki Sasaki was out for a long time, and then the short prints, but it's tough to pull. And Trey Turner, there's that, a 1990 design. All right, last pack, and then we'll get into the archives that, they haven't been released yet officially, but yet you can get them in these packs. George Springer, Stars of MLB. So, yeah. 2 numbered cards out of the Series 2. That's, not bad. Now we're going to struggle with this. So there's Yuri Perez. Louder, boy, I've had a couple of those guys already. Grayson Rodriguez on the black. Chase Dolan there. Sale, Bob Gibson there. There you go, the 1964 design. They usually get like 2 other designs, and then Chase Petty, I've had him. Jack Flaherty, Joe Cosby-Noel, Christian Yelich, Nick Kurtz, my boy. Machado Kim, that's a really good one. Nick Kurtz, that's the pop-up, like 1964 pop-up. I think that's what they're called. Rookie, so that's gonna be sleeved up and loaded up. Okay, let's see here. We got here David Fessa. Yeah, I got a couple of his. Giancarlo Stanton, Tyler Buxton on the black. Oh, that's pretty interesting. Let's see here. There's Scotty Senga, Mr. Oil. So far, nothing too major have I pulled in these archives packs. I mean, those pop-ups. Jason Dominguez, O'Neill Cruz, Gunnar Henderson. That's interesting. George Brett there. Luis Aparicio. Yeah. As a kid, I probably could have pronounced it. Played with the White Sox a lot, like a shortstop. Yeah, let's see here. Hanley Rutschman, okay. Gleyber Torres, Adolis Garcia, Kumar Rocker, Barry Larkin, Tony Gwynn. Okay. Yeah, let's see here. Carlos Santana, Nico Horner, Chase Dollander, Kobe Mayo on the pop-up, Earl Hershiser to Zenzo. Yeah, here in California, that's where I'm at. It's like a foggy day. I don't think the sun's come out yet. So, Ty Cobb there, Mike Piazza, Nacho Alvarez, Yamamoto, and Cal Raleigh. There's that. And when I first saw archives, I was like, kind of really interested more in heritage, but it's kind of grown on me. Nolan Arenado, Pedro Martinez, Jordan Alvarez, Alex Bregman on that green, Jeremy Pena. The last two packs. Yeah, usually, I kind of like the archives, kind of the lunchbox. I mean, I won't consider it really lunchbox. It was really small. Sterling Marte, Will Wagner. Oh, Gavin X. So I got a number card. Drew Romo, MJ Melendez, O'Neill Cruz, Dela Cruz, Suzuki. So we got Gavin Lux. It's like a green foil instead of the black foil. That's out of 99, 53 out of 99. So first number card got out of the archives packs. Let's see here. There's Nick Kurtz there. I'll move him up. Andrew Jones, Mike Harris the third, second. Mike Schmidt, Cubby Bellinger. Okay. So now we're going to go into these flagship collection. I'll just pause it a little bit when I bought barking. Let's see here. Hopefully Max has stopped barking or wants to bark. Now we go into this flagship collection. Like I said, they're really thicker. So Rafaela, Dylan Cruz, Max Muncy, Brett Lauder, Julio Rodriguez. I pulled like a number card out of him. Oh, there he goes again. Oh well. Dogs being dogs. Awesome Kim, Adele Amador, Drew Romo, Zach DeSanzo, Ben Rice. Was that all rookie cards? Rookie card, rookie card, rookie card, rookie card, rookie card. Yeah, how about that? A whole pack of rookie cards. And let's see here. Did we get? Oh, we got something numbered, I guess. I think that was turned around. So Corey Seager, Ellie Dahl Cruz, Shota, Kobe Mayo. Let's see, maybe we'll do like this here. So we got a purple, Rhett Lauder, 75. So how about that? So we got pull two numbered cards out of these packs. I mean, that's so tough to get that in there because they're a little bit thicker. Okay. Some Max Muncy, Awesome Ken, Amador, Jazz Chisholm, Kevin Alcantara. Drew Romo, Shota, Kobe Mayo, Marcel Mayer, Jackson Jobe. I think usually this has been like a set of 100 that they've done in the past. So Ozzy Albies, Mookie Betts, Shohei Ohtani there. That's a good one. Trey Sweeney and Brooks Lee. So now we're going to go to these big cards. And we'll see what, and then also the companion, because you get short prints on these too. I pull like well, from the packs I got 2 Mookie Betts. So this was LA Angels, looks like a pitcher with a thing there. So you got Caden Dana, OTC, so that's nothing. Trey Turner, CTC, so that's just a regular one. And now the last one, Awesome Kim, OTC, so nothing, OSP, that means it's a short print. And then we got here, Kevin Alcantara, so that's CTB. CTC, that might, I don't know, that could be a short print. I'd have to research it. Anyhow, that's the Costco packaging of the Series 2 with archives and your like flagship 2 collection. All right, have a good week. Enjoy.